Imagine the tantalizing aroma of garlic and chili, the vibrant colors of bell peppers, and the sweet yet fiery taste of basil-infused chicken. Welcome to Honeyjubu's cooking collection, where today we'll prepare an exotic and delicious spicy Thai basil chicken. Originating from the heart of Thailand, this dish is a symphony of flavors. We'll need chicken, garlic, bell peppers, Thai basil, and chili for the ingredients, and a trusty wok and spatula for the cooking. Stay tuned as we unravel the magic behind this Thai classic. Before diving into the exciting world of Thai cuisine, prepare the key players of our dish. First up, we have the star of our show, the chicken. Slice it into bite-sized pieces, ensuring a perfect blend of flavor and texture in each bite. Next, we meet our supporting cast, the garlic and chili. Finely chop these to release their potent flavors, bringing a delightful kick to our dish. Remember, the finer the chop, the stronger the flavor. Lastly, we have the Thai basil leaves. These are not just the garnish, they are the soul of our dish. Tear them gently to preserve their aroma, which will infuse our chicken with that distinct sweet and spicy Thai flavor we're looking for. Each of these ingredients plays a vital role in our dish, contributing to a symphony of flavors that make Thai basil chicken a truly unforgettable experience. With our ingredients ready, we can now move to the heat of the action. Now, watch closely as we transform these simple ingredients into a flavorful Thai masterpiece. First things first, let's get that wok nice and hot. We want to create a sizzling stage for our ingredients to perform their magic. Once the wok is heated, in goes a generous dollop of oil, swirling it around to coat the surface evenly. Then it's time to add a punch of flavor with our garlic and chili. Sauté these until they release their fragrant aromas, dancing in the air, tickling our senses and setting the stage for what's to come. Next, our star performer takes the stage, the chicken. We add it to the wok, stir-frying it until it's beautifully cooked, turning a luscious golden brown. The sizzling sound of the chicken searing against the hot wok is music to a food lover's ears. Now for a little saucy drama. We pour in our special sauce, allowing it to bubble and blend with the chicken. The sauce, a symphony of sweet, salty, and spicy notes, wraps itself around each piece of chicken, creating an irresistible melody of flavors. We then toss in the bell peppers, adding a vibrant splash of color and a delightful crunch. Last but not least, the Thai basil leaves join the mix, their unique aroma transforming this dish into a true Thai classic. Remember, the secret to this dish is stir-frying at high heat. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious blend that's simply irresistible. And just like that, a delectable plate of spicy Thai basil chicken is ready to be savored. What a flavorful journey it has been. We've prepared fresh ingredients, stir-fried in a sizzling wok, and added basil at the end to keep it vibrant. Thank you for joining Honeyjubu's cooking collection. Now enjoy your homemade spicy Thai basil chicken. Until next time, keep cooking and keep exploring the world of flavors.